In this video, I will solve NCERT Bank Reconciliation Statement question 13. The first video on BRS was Bank Reconciliation Statement balance as per cash book. The second video which I have earlier made is the balance as per passbook. The third type of BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement, is overdraft as per cash book. So in this question number 13, let me read. On December 31st, 2014, the cash book of Mittal Brothers sold an overdraft of 6,920. So this question, as per the cash book, there is no balance, there is a overdraft. So as you all know, overdraft means the account holder has taken more than the money in his account. He has overdrawn by 6,920 as a short credit. It is a short loan. So as per cash book, there is a short-term loan as an overdraft 6,920 in his account, Vittal Brothers account, as per the cash book. And from the following particular, they asked us to prepare bank reconciliation statement and ascertain the balance as per passbook. So that means the balance, the overdraft as per the cash book and the overdraft as per the passbook is not tallying. They are asking us to find out the overdraft as per passbook. So first, we have to start with overdraft. Overdraft as per cash book. So if it is overdraft, mean there is an unfavorable balance. There is not a balance in this account. There is no money in this account. Instead of balance money, there is a loan, overdraft, short-term loan, 6,920. Therefore, we have to place it in the minus column. Then, in order to ascertain the balance as per passbook, we have to adjust cash book. That means we have to increase the cash book or decrease the cash book as per the increase or decrease happened in the passbook by this 5 transactions. First one, debited by bank 200 on account of interest on overdraft and ₹50 on account of charges for collecting bills. So in the bank passbook, the banker has reduced to 200 as an interest for overdraft. For our loan from our account, he has again debited 200. And 50 rupees charges also he has made for collecting our negotiable bill of exchange. So 250, there is a 250 debited in the passbook. That means 250 reduced in the passbook, but cash book there is no change. Therefore, cash book also we have to reduce. So if you want to reduce, we have to enter into the minus column. What we will do is all the minus column, we will enter 250 in the minus column. First one. Second one, check drawn but not enhanced before December 31st, 2014 for the amount of 4,000. Check drawn mean we wrote a check on a party. We hand over the check to the party. The party did not go to the bank and changed or taken the money as cash. He did not enhance it. He did not take in the money. As soon as we give the check, we give the check, what we will do in the cash book, it is reduced. But passbook, cash book, it is reduced, but the passbook, it is not reduced. So as per the passbook, it is not reduced, but we have reduced. So as per the passbook, it is not reduced, no, but you have reduced. In order to rectify that, you have to increase. Also, this one we have to increase. Second one we have to increase 2,000, 4,000 we have to. Third one, the bank has collected interest and has credited 600 rupees in passbook. So the banker collected interest money on behalf of us and credited in the passbook. So passbook increased by 600, but cash book there is no effect. As per the passbook, cash book also has to be increased by 600. So this 600 we will increase. Fourth one, a bill receivable rupees 700 previously discounted with the bank. A bill receivable 700 previously discounted with the bank had been disordered and debited in the passbook. So bill receivable means it is a bill of exchange. It's a negotiable instrument as a postpaid check. It is something like a postpaid check. So that's mean we have sold the goods to the buyer on credit. The buyer has accepted a bill which we wrote on. He accepted the bill and he handed over the bill to us. What we did is 700 rupees. We did not wait till he pay for the bill. We have immediately gone to our bank and given the bill and we have received the money 700 from the bank. But after the maturity period of the bill, the particular bank after the maturity date send the bill for collection to the party, but the party failed to pay the money for the bill. Therefore, it is dishonored. So the banker again the 700 once they have credited increased in our account earlier, now they are going to reduce 700. So in the passbook 700 reduced, but cash book there is no effect. So in the cash book also now we have to reduce 700. Fifth one, check paid into bank but not collected and credited before December 31st, 2014 amounted 6,000. 6,000 worth of check we paid into the bank. Mittal Brothers went and deposited in the bank, but the banker did not collect it till December 31st. Till the end of the period, we prepared the bank reconciliation statement. The banker has not collected the money. But Mittal Brothers, as soon as he go and deposited the check, paid the check into the bank, increased in the cash account. So cash balance, he has entered 6,000, it is increased. So cash book increased, but passbook, there is no change. Therefore, cash book, we have already increased loan. In order to rectify that, we have to decrease. This 6,000 also we have to decrease. That's all. Now we have to find out the difference between the total amount of the minus column and the total amount of the plus column. So the total amount of the minus column is the plus column total minus column total 6,920 plus 250 plus 700 plus 6,000 together times 6,000, 6,700, 6,000. So it is 12,000 plus 920 plus 13,870. So the difference between the difference between 13,870 and 4,600 will be 9,270. 13,000 minus 4,600, it is 9,270. The shortage column. So this is balance as per passbook is the answer. 9,270 is the answer. Total is 13,870. Fifth one reason is check paid but not collected. So that's all. Thank you.